Changing the battery in a 2016 Escalade key fob is one of those things that sounds harder than it is. But if your button stopped working or the range on your remote is suddenly trash, yep, it's time to swap that battery. First off, what you're dealing with is a CR2032 coin battery. These are cheap. I'm talking $2 a pop or less if you buy a couple. You can find them at any grocery store, hardware aisle, or obviously on Amazon. Grab one before you start. Hold the key fob with the Cadillac logo facing up. I used to struggle trying to pry it open from the wrong side. Huge waste of time. Flip it over so the plastic back is facing you instead. That's the side that opens. There's a little notch along the seam on the side. You could try a flathead screwdriver, but I use the old house key trick. Less risk of scratching the plastic, more finesse. Just pop it into that seam and twist gently. Once the fob splits open, don't panic. It's just two halves and the electronics sandwiched in the middle. Set the button side down on the table so the remote buttons don't fall out and go flying. Rookie mistake. Believe me, I've been there. You'll see the battery sitting right in there like a little silver pancake. The positive side should be face up with the writing on the battery visible. That's important when you put the new one in. Orientation matters. Carefully slide the old battery out. You might need a fingernail or even the tip of a pen to nudge it free. If it's crusty or corroded, toss it. That's why you change it regularly, so it doesn't leak and kill the whole fob. Pop the new CR2032 battery in with the positive side facing up. It slides in with a bit of pressure but shouldn't need force. If it's not sitting flush, check that it isn't misaligned or jammed by a piece of lint. Yeah, lint. Now take the back cover and press it down evenly on the base. It snaps shut with a satisfying click. If it sounds squishy or wrong, open it and make sure the battery and electronics are seated the right way. Take your time here. Test the key fob before you go out. Lock, unlock, and remote start if you have it. If your garage echoes with that beautiful engine growl, congrats, you're done. If nothing works, double check that battery is fresh and facing up. Pro tip, keep a spare CR2032 in your glove box. It's a $2 insurance policy for not being stranded when your fob dies during dinner or date night, and never assume two fobs means you're safe. They both die eventually. Always. I'm Scott. I live in Portland, and even though I don't drive an Escalade, I helped my buddy fix his last winter after it wouldn't start outside a timber game. Battery change fixed it in under 10 minutes. Sometimes, life is just that easy.